Alright, time to record this intro. Would it be so bad if there was no intro for this video? I mean, does an intro really enhance the viewing experience for you guys? Do you feel like a sneaker review is more complete with an intro? Are there viewers out there who don't even care about the shoes and they just tune in for the intros to these videos? Greetings, everyone. Okay, I don't know if I said this before, but I'm making a real effort to become a Bok Boy. And that just means I'm dedicating myself to wearing more Reebok sneakers. And that's simply because I think Reeboks are dope and honestly very slept on. When I was a kid, Reeboks were all the rage to me because I was a huge Allen Iverson fan, and Reebok doesn't really have that next icon to carry the brand. This seems like a great place to mention that today we'll be talking about the Reebok Question Low Gray Toe. This sneaker originally released on May 28th with select retailers before becoming available via the Reebok website on June 11th for $120 US. Okay, before we go any further, I want to try something new with these Reebok question reviews. Whenever there is a Reebok question review coming up, I will let you know on my Instagram or Twitter, so follow me there. And I'll open it up so that you can ask me any question that is on your mind. It can be sneaker related, it can be YouTube related, whatever is on your mind. You can ask me a question and I will answer the best ones in one of these videos. So we can treat the Reebok question reviews kind of like a mailbag video. Thank you for sitting through that long-winded explanation. Now the Reebok question is Allen Iverson's debut sneaker with Reebok. It's an absolutely legendary silhouette. Of course, partially because it does look dope, but also because of what Allen Iverson did in these. But I actually like some of the Reebok answers more than the question. Like the answer 6, the answer 9. I would love to see those pairs get some more releases. But I completely understand that the questions are the cash cow for Reebok's Iverson line. So let's dive in and examine the features of the Reebok Question Low Gray Toe. The base of the sneaker is this smooth white leather. And in my last Iverson video, I mentioned how Reebok was in love with using leather when designing Iverson shoes. There's just so much leather on these Iverson pairs. The toe box for this pair is a bit controversial. It's this gray section of patent leather, which is why it's called the gray toe. But the patent leather is an interesting call. I personally prefer to have suede be on the toe of the Reebok question, and I've heard a lot of people echo those same sentiments. So hopefully in the future we can see a consistent stream of questions being released with just the suede toe. No leather, no patent leather, just suede. The tongue is nice and thick. That's weird. The tongue is thick and cozy. It has this section of leather right there at the tip where you also have a gray Reebok logo stitched in. And there's also some mesh running down the front of the tongue to make sure that the sneaker is breathable. I do like these super clean white rope laces. They run through these gray lace loops. Each loop displays that Reebok logo. They really wanted you to know that these sneakers were Reebok. Maybe that's just because it's Allen Iverson, it's his first sneaker. At the back of the sneaker, you have another hit of that gray patent leather, and in there you have that Reebok question logo, which is a Q, but that line running out of it is yet another Reebok logo. All right, take 100. Down at the heel, there's a circle displaying the number 3, and you probably guessed, Allen Iverson wore the number 3 during his NBA career. The Reebok question has an iconic EVA foam midsole, and on both the lateral and medial side, you can see 2 windows displaying those hexalite cushioning bubbles, or what used to be authentic hexalite, but is now more so just for the aesthetic. There's such a deep curve in the middle of the sole. Flipping over to the outsole of this shoe, this is just beautiful. I love this outsole, especially on other colorways where the sole is a little more vibrant. And it is a non-marking outsole, so You can step all over floors without leaving those black marks that you used to see in school. On this pair, it's a little less lively with this gray color, but you have this wavy traction pad as well as the word Reebok being written vertically going down the sole. You also have another Reebok logo, and you have another window here at the rear of the sole showing more of that hexalite cushioning. Alright, so we got to know the Reebok Question Low gray toe. Now let's slap these on foot and see what they look like.
I need you to take my word for it. I need you to believe in me. Don't trust what you see in all your timeline. They just tryna keep you from me. I need you to take my word for it. I need you to believe in me. Baby, ain't no creeping and that's no lie. It's just what they...
This definitely has that old man tennis shoe vibe going on. Because it is low and predominantly white. Remember when Steph Curry and Under Armour released the Curry 2 Low in an all-white colorway? People had a lot of jokes for that, calling it a grandpa shoe, and I think the Reebok Question has a very similar case. For sizing on the Reebok Question, I went true to size and grabbed a US 11, and I must say it is a little bit snug. When I put these on, my toe is right up at the front. It's already a long shoe, and even more so because it's low. But I'm actually going to recommend going up a half size because there is so much cushioning in the back that kind of pushes your foot forward. You can go up a half size and give yourself a little more room. Or if you have wider feet, you may want to go up a full size on the Reebok Question Low gray toe. Okay, thank you guys as always for tuning into the channel. Much love to all the new subscribers as we get closer and closer to 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment Georgetown. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.